So in my busy life, I always need a vacuum because let's face it, this has already been used. My kids have put popcorn on the floor because it's their favorite food, but popcorn is messy. So that's why I want this. That's why I got this little portable vacuum. What I loved about it too, this has great capacity, but also has great suction. So what you're going to find too is that this is where the well is for all of the trash. This has on off here, very low noise, under 75 decibels, which is amazing because that means I can use it while my husband is sleeping. This also has a light, so that means I can see in those dark crevices and I don't have to take my phone and try to light the area I'm trying to vacuum. This also comes with a few different attachments. This comes with a brush attachment, and you just kind of stick it right on the end here. So you're able to do a bunch of different scenarios. Tubing, so you can, this tubing. So you can use attachments and really get like a little bit further underneath like couches or anything else. This also comes with a charger. So anywhere you have just a brick charger, this can be charged. So that means you could store this in your car and have this at your car, have this at your office, have it anywhere that you have a brick charger, you have a charger. But I also found that this has some really great suction. So we're going to actually spill some stuff on the floor. I have carpet here and I have hardwood, and we're going to spill it and we're going to vacuum it and we're going to see how it works. So on the floor, we have oats, we have rice, and we have actually some garlic powder. So just spill it on the floor just so we can get a test of how this will vacuum. I'm actually going to turn off the mic to I'll turn it on so you can hear the sound. But I'm going to turn it off for the vacuuming process just to save your ears. So I did end up emptying it, but as you can see, it got everything up. I just need to wipe the garlic powder. The garlic powder is intense, my dear. So if you're looking for a nice portable vacuum, this is definitely the one I would suggest.